Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you could see in the thumbnail of this video, we are unboxing KnitCrate and I'm so excited. So let me just, there we go. I've opened it and let's go ahead and look at the wool. Ooh. Oops, sorry. It's green! I have to say, this month I didn't look at the sneak peeks. So this is surprise, surprise, surprise for me. Whoa, whoa. Look, it's the KnitCrate colors. This should be called the KnitCrate membership crate or whatever. Wow, this is so soft. Whoa, it's Ordine wools. We've had this wool before by KnitCrate. So it's in the house, KnitCrate. In the colorway malachite. It's 50% alpaca, 30% merino and 20% nylon. 236 yards, 215 meters, 100 grams. The needle size suggestion is 3 to 5 US or 325, 375 millimeter. Hand wash only. Lay flat to air dry. So these are exclusively for KnitCrate and we have 2 of them. Oh, and they're so soft and I love the colors. I really love the colors. As you can see, I think so there's alpaca, you can see the fluff, and then there's also some nylon that gives it a sheen. And let's look at the booklet, so the little magazine. So it is the membership KnitCrate that we've got here. Let's move this out of the way. And as you can see, they've got more than one color. So some people got the green, some people got the blue. We got the green, so I'm very happy because green is my favorite color. And these are the other colors. So it's like a lavender blue, greeny, a pink, a light blue, and I believe this is the sock membership, which we don't have here. Here we just have the normal membership. So bold and beautiful, bright jewel tones create a month full of color and fun in this month's KnitCrates. Be sure to snag this final month of artisan sock before these legacy crates disappear from our subscription lineup. And they're doing a change with KnitCrate. I will link their website down below so you can read all about it there, because they've been working with indie dyers before, and I believe now they're going to do in-house wool. Anyway, so we have patterns, we have scaling. See what they've done there. Reinterpret the shape for shawls and scarves with this month's membership pattern. This is a crochet shawl pattern. It's beautiful. And they should have a knit one. They have Balita. This is the knit shawl pattern and it can be knitted with this. I have the colorway and oh, I love the way she paired it with red lip. I think that's just gorgeous. That's cool. Let's see what else we've got here. So 2 patterns. Oh, sorry. The crochet pattern is called Belle SQ. So that's the crochet pattern. I think it's a triangular shawl. And then, okay. And this is the sock membership, which we don't have. We just have a sneak peek and the pattern for it. But that's beautiful as well. Let me show you. These are the socks that you could knit with that wool. Wow, they're amazing, aren't they? Striped lining. They're cool. So you get 3 patterns in this booklet and then wool to knit one of them. And do I have anything else? We have a sneak peek for this month. Theme Pick Whisper, March 2019. And as you can see, it's got a lot of like wood, nature related colorway, which is cool. So let me tell you about this, about the KnitCrate. It's a subscription. You usually get 2 skeins in the membership subscription, 2 skeins of yarn and patterns, and you can obviously use the yarn to knit the patterns that come with it, or you could use it to knit whatever you want with it. The yarn is mostly 100% wool or 80% wool. Beautiful, beautiful fibers. Like this one is so soft. This wouldn't scratch at all. It's just the softest thing ever. It's a 2-ply, DK weight. It's just gorgeous. So for 1 skein, you would pay about between maybe $19 to $25 per skein, but in the KnitCrate you get 2 skeins plus the patterns plus free shipping if you subscribe for $24.99. So that is amazing. You pretty much get everything half price, plus the patterns, and sometimes you get discount codes for the designers' Ravelry designs, Ravelry patterns, that if you want to buy more patterns from the designers, you can get discounts. And also KnitCrate is giving all my subscribers a 20% off the first order with code TEO20. So if you want to subscribe to KnitCrate, follow the link in the description down below, and it will take you to the KnitCrate website where you can subscribe to one of the KnitCrates and put the coupon code TEO20, and you get 20% off your first order. And I think that is just amazing because you already get such beautiful yarn for half the price, plus free shipping, plus 20% off with my code, and it's amazing. So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this. So let's move on to the other KnitCrate that we have to open. Put this away. Oops, sorry. Here we have the other KnitCrate, and let me just grab a needle and open it. There we go. And oh, ta-da! It's the same one. Oh, this happened last month as well. I got this one. I usually get a KnitCrate, a membership KnitCrate, and an artisan KnitCrate. And last month I got 2 membership instead of 1 membership and 1 artisan. This month I got the same, 2 membership and no artisan. So I don't know what happened there, but anyway. So I'm not going to unbox this one again because it's the same thing. Oh, that's a bummer. I was really looking forward to the artisan KnitCrate because I wanted to have 2 different ones. But anyway, the KnitCrate people are so nice, so they always they're gonna figure it out, and they're so nice and so helpful that I'm sure they'll sort it out. But yeah, I guess I have a double KnitCrate, and I'm not sorry about it because now I have 4 skeins and I can make a big project with it, and they're green. Maybe I can make a big shawl, or maybe I could make a cardigan. I like this green color, or a jumper. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the in the comments down below. Let me know what you think I should knit with these 4 skeins of beautiful alpaca blend yarn. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.